Today we are going to see how we are going to prepare for the examination point of view. Please, I request all the students to have your calculator on right hand side. Use the calculator, right? Some tips I will be giving every time so that you improve in your examination and you get good marks. My intention is only to give you the knowledge, to give you the information, and you should score. That is my target. If you pass, if you get 100 out of 100, that is, I will be very much happy. Is it clear? So keeping in this in mind, I have prepared some preparation for examination tips I am going to give you. So first, always prepare very few units. Today I am going to prepare only 4 units. First one is the partial differentiation, second one is the Laplace transformation, third one is the differential equations, and next is our numerical methods, and last is our linear algebra. Yes students, please remember that all these formulas and all its details are given in the description box, so please see that. You can go through that videos I will share in the description box. You can see all the formulas and all its information. The substitution values is all discussed in the below link, so please watch it. And today I have taken few questions on students demand. Yes students, if you demand, definitely I will post such type of very good and very important videos freely available. Just you have to watch it, and if you get time and you see that video is very beneficial, please subscribe. That is the only I request everyone. Okay, so my today's important questions I have listed on the screen. You can go through it and see that your calculator is ready. All the calculations I am going to do in the calculator on right hand side, keep it ready. And here we starts with few questions. So due to some of your students have demanded that sir please solve the important questions and solve the question papers, right? So these questions are very important for your internal examination is there, assessment examination is there, right? Some fast track exams are there, and final exams are there, semester exams are there. Some of the questions may appear in your gate examination also. So this video is helpful for every student of engineering mathematics. Is it clear? So please share this video to your friends, let them pass, you also pass. God bless everyone. Everyone should pass, get a good marks. Yes, everyone will recognize you as a good engineer. Okay, so all about this. We'll start with our session. So please say that you keep the time management. I always tell every good student, see that you prepare the time, which is very important. All the students, see to that you use the watch in the examination. This is the key point, so that if you use the watch, it will be very useful. So even I wear the watch, right? So it's a good luck and good time. That's a very important. We manage our time ourselves. Should not ask the examiner or anybody in the exam the type of that how your watch is then. So please see that you wear the watch, look at the time. The time management is very important. Your calculator must be ready, and you should just remind all the formulas in your mind. Immediately when the paper is given to you, start remembering all the formulas, recall all the formulas, practice it again and again. Definitely you will score the good marks. And we see now list of questions I have taken one by one. I am going to solve in less than 15 to 10 minutes. Yes, please remember this students, keep this in your mind, less than 15 to 10 minutes, then only you are going to cover the paper. and within 1 and 1.5 hour, you see you can complete 80 marks. Yes, you can touch 80 marks, students. Definitely watch the video till the end, and you see that definitely all the problems, hardly 15 to 10 minutes, you are going to finish your paper, keeping in the mind formulas and everything. Formulas and how to remember the formulas, I will give the link in the description box. One by one, they are different units. I have collected the questions, and see that your answer must be perfect, so you can tally the answers with any of them that they are right, and with very few steps you can definitely score good marks. So you can see the CO-PO mapping is very well, it is done. Course outcome is CO and PO is post out program outcome. So they are going to match it. Is it clear? For every unit they are going to select course outcomes, and then for that they are going to map program outcomes. So you should keep in your mind that these all things are going in this examination. So keeping the view in all these steps, students, shall we start the class now? Yes. So see, one by one I'm going to take the question, hardly 15 to 10 minutes. I have decided 10 minutes, maximum it may go 15, not more than that. I will finish one by one question. So start preparing, and good luck for your examination. Watch the video till the end, all the steps I'm going to discuss, and substitute the values. So your time starts now without wasting the time. See that your time management is very, very important. You should not spend more than 15 minutes in one question. Prepare it, solve this. Watching this video, please see, I request all the students, whenever you watch the video, you write it down in your book. That is very, very important. When you write, you will be perfect. You will become perfect. You will understand the concept very easily, and you will pass the examination, I bet, students. So please see that, watch the video till then, and solve in your book. That is very, very important. And notes, please see, if you are busy while watching the video, I will share this notes in the description box. Just open it and you will get the notes. Whatever I'm going to solve today's class, you will easily get the notes. So no problem in the notes. Is it clear? So shall we start the class? Yes, you can watch on your time. We will start the class. So I'm going to complete the 4 units very, very easily. You can see you can score 60 to 80 marks. That is our intention. So you should be perfect. Okay, let us start with our first example. You can write down, students. Obtain Taylor series of log of cos x about the point x is equal to pi by 3 up to 4 degree terms. And very, very important, I'm going to discuss the marks distribution. So very, very important that where you are going to get the marks, and which step must be correct, and which step you have to write in the exam. Please see that if you miss the step and you move to the next writing directly answer, you will lose the marks. Please remember that step is also important, answer is also important. And please see that you just write at least one formula for every example. If there is no formula, at least substitution must be correctly done. That's a very, very key word. Okay, so let us start our class, today's class. So here we goes. Okay, we'll finish it quickly. So one by one you can see, obtain the Taylor series of log of cos x, obtain about the point x is equal to pi by 3 up to 4 degree terms. Yes, students, you can see, we know that, what we know already, we have seen x is equal to a. So you must be knowing that given already x is equal to pi by 3. So indirectly a is equal to, it is pi by 3. That's a simple one. You can compare this equation and this equation. Easily you can see that this a is nothing but our pi by 3. This is first step you should remember. Is it clear? So I'm going to write the Taylor series formula. Please, Taylor series formula and Taylor series explanation and description will be given in the link. You can go through that. Many other examples on Taylor series I have solved. you please watch the video and write it down once again. Okay, so here I will write the formula and I will directly substitute the values, very very important. Okay, so I say that y of x is equal to y of pi by 3 plus x minus pi by 3 y1 pi by 3. I'm substituting the value, students. X minus pi by 3 square divided by 2 factorial y2 pi by 3 plus x minus pi by 3 cube divided by 3 factorial y3 of pi by 3 plus. So till 4 you can easily write here, students. So because they have given clearly that 4-degree term, it means clearly it is understood that you have to write compulsory x minus pi by 3 raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial y4 of pi by 3. Many of the students will lose the marks because they have not seen the 4th degree term. So very very important, the key word, the 4-degree term means you have to write the 4 degree. If you don't write 4 degree, you will not get the marks, you will get 0. So keeping the marks in your mind, you have to write the steps, very very important. Okay, so now I will see that I will substitute all the values now. I will simplify first. Y of x is equal to f of x, which is equal to the given question, that is log of cos x. Is it clear? So one by one I am going to simplify this. So easily I'm going to get here y1 of x. So this implies x is equal to pi by 3. So I will directly substitute here pi by 3. Y of pi by 3 is equal to, substitute in your calculator, students, easily you will get it. So I see that in the calculator here log is there, log of cos, yes, pi is there, so this is shift pi divided by 3. So you must be fast in the calculator. Here on the screen it is going very slow. So this is equal to, yes students, you can see here it is in degree, so it is giving minus 7.2542157 into 10 raised to minus 5. Never keep 10 raised to minus 5 as it is, you have to simplify it. Okay, or there is another way that you can see here, cos of pi by 3. So at least you should know that what is cos pi by 3, pi divided by 3. Yes friends. Okay, it is 0.9998. So you can substitute the value, you can directly write the answer. So now we'll take the log of 0.99. Okay, please cut the values. So log of 5/3. Okay, now again here see students, y of pi by 3 is equal to log of cos pi by 3, which is equal to log 1 by 2. So you can keep this log 1 by 2 as it is, so nothing to be changed. Okay, so I am going to find first y1 of x, y2 of x, y3 of x, y3 of x, and y4 of x. Is it clear? And substitute the values one by one. Okay, quickly. y1 of x is what, students? It is first degree differentiation. So I'm going to differentiate this log of cos x. So quickly simplify this, students. This is 1 upon cos x into, again inner differentiation, d upon dx cos x. So this is, I'm going to use the chain rule. So 1 upon cos x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x is equal to, we can simplify this, we will get this as minus tan x. So that implies, so now substitute x is equal to pi by 3. So y1 of pi by 3 is equal to minus tan pi by 3. So minus tan pi by 3 is nothing but it is root 3. So you can just put it in the calculator. So pi divided by 3, bracket complete. So yes, it is 0.01827 it is showing, but it is minus square root 3. Okay, so please remember the from the table, you can get it easily, students. Okay, now I will go with the next one. y2 of x. Just want to take out this. I will take this as y2 of x, which is equal to, so please see y1 is what, minus tan x is the y1. Okay, so again differentiate this with respect to x. Tan x differentiation is sec square x, so this is minus sec square x. Okay, so now again I want to calculate y2 of pi by 3. Is it clear? So okay, substitute now, minus sec square pi by 3. So please remember, what is sec pi by 3? Sec pi by 3 is 2. So how you will put it in this calculator? It is, so just see, 1 divided by cos, it is shift pi divided by 3. So something is different here. Okay, whatever it is, sec, you can see as friends, it is 2. Sec pi by 3 is 2. Square is going to become 4. So I'll just substitute here 4 value. Okay, next I will go to y3 of x. Yes, friends. So differentiate this sec square x. What is differentiation of sec square x, friends? Please remember, inner differentiation we are going to do minus differentiation of sec square x is 2 sec x into differentiation of again sec x. So this is going to become minus 2 sec x into tan x. Differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x. Okay, so you're preparing for the examination, you should be fast. It is going to become minus 2 sec square x tan x. Okay, so I want to calculate y3 of pi by 3. So just substitute. Sec square is going to become 4 and tan is going to become root 3. So you can say this is going to become minus 2 4 and root 3. So this will be equal to minus 8 root 3. Is it clear? Then next I am going to simplify y4 of x. Okay, now this differentiation you have to do very clearly. So first I will take differentiation of sec square x into tan x. So this is u into v rule. You will keep minus 2 outside. So first I will differentiate sec square x. It is again 2 sec x into 2 sec x into sec x tan x sec x tan x and tan x as it is, then plus sec square x as it is, differentiation of tan x. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So if you simplify this, students, please see that you will get this is equal to minus I will take inside, so minus 4 sec x is going to become sec square x into tan square x. So minus 2 I will multiply this side, so this is going to become minus 2 sec raised to 4x. Is it clear? Okay, now this is y4 of pi by 3. I will take x is equal to pi by 3. So if you substitute, you will get minus 80. So all these values if you substitute in the formula, then your answer is over. So therefore this is going to become y of x is equal to cos of log x or log cos x is equal to log of 1 upon 2 minus root 3 x minus pi by 3 plus minus 4 x minus pi by 3 square divided by 2 factorial is 2 only, you can keep it 2 only, minus 8 root 3 x minus pi by 3 cube divided by 3 factorial minus 80 x minus pi by 3 raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. This is the answer. If this answer is correct, students, you will get the full marks. Okay, without wasting the time, we'll go to the next one. Find the angle of intersection of curve r is equal to sin theta plus cos theta r is equal to 2 sin theta. This is the question they have given. Please write down this question, students. And now we'll simplify this. So remember the formula. What we are going to find? We are going to find the angle of intersection. Okay, so we'll find the angle of intersection. Yes, friends. So please write down solution quickly. We'll simplify this very easily. So see what is given. R is equal to sin theta is given plus cos theta is given. So first you write down the angle between the two curves. So I will write the solution here. So this is very easy. First you are going to differentiate this r is equal to, so I'll write here r is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, so just taking log on both sides, so this is going to become log r is equal to log of sin theta plus cos theta. Yes friends, so differentiate now immediately with respect to theta. Okay, so you can see, yes friends, log r is that this is different from r, so you are going to use the again chain rule. So this is 1 upon r d theta upon dr is equal to, okay, now differentiation of log of sin theta plus cos theta, please see that this is again chain rule. So 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta. Whenever you are going to use chain rule, see that the inner value is again differentiated once again. So this is sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, so now simplify this. So 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta, no change, into, yes, sin theta differentiation is cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. That's it, this is the value friends, please remember. So this, we know that this is cot psi 1 is equal to, if you simplify this friends, please remember this is the formula of cot pi by 4 plus theta. Yes, you can try this. Cot a plus b formula you are going to use here, you will get cos pi by cot phi by 4 plus theta. Similarly, I will take here this value r is equal to 2 sin theta. Without taking any log and all, I will just take directly differentiate with respect to theta. This is going to become 1 upon r dr upon d theta is equal to, this is going to become cot theta. Yes friends, if you want you can simplify, or for your simplification I will make it very simple. So you should know now all the formulas. So I will simplify one step more, don't worry. Taking log on both sides, so this is going to become log r is equal to log 2. So I will use the property of log 2 plus log of sin theta. I will use the property. Now differentiate this, differentiate with respect to theta. You can see I will get this as 1 upon r dr upon d theta is equal to differentiation of constant. Log 2 is a constant value, therefore this is going to become 0 plus log of sin theta. Again you should please remember this is 1 divided by sin theta. I will not tell you again chain rule. I am going to use chain rule, means again differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So 1 upon r dr upon d theta, I am going to take this formula as cot phi 2 is equal to, yes friends, now this is going to become directly cot theta. Okay, so here you can see very easily the value. Yes friends, you can directly pick here phi 1 is equal to pi by 4 plus theta, and we have already calculated phi 2 value, it is theta. So therefore, so no need of writing again the angle between the two curves. This directly you can write the formula, that is mod of phi 1 minus phi 2 is the angle between two curves. So this will give you pi by 4 plus theta, and this is minus theta. I have substituted this value and this value, which is equal to pi by 4. If you get pi by 4, you will get the full marks friends, please remember. Is it clear? So if you want, I will tell you about the distribution of the marks. Yes, So please see that if you get the first this correct, you will get 2 marks. If this is correct, then you will get 2 marks, and final answer will be 2 marks. So it will be 6 to 7 marks easily you can get, students. So next we'll go to the next question, students, immediately without wasting the time. So if z is equal to x square minus x y square, x is equal to e raised to u plus e raised to minus v, then find the value. Yes, this is quite easy, students. You can do it very easily. So I will going to take directly dou z upon dou u plus dou z upon dou v. Okay, so just substitute the values here, z and v. So please see that the formula I have already given in the class. I will repeat this. If you want the formula, I will give in the description box. Don't worry, go through that video also. So how this formula is written, that's very very important. So dou z upon dou u is nothing but dou z upon dou x into dou x upon dou u. This is the formula what we have, dou z upon dou y into dou y upon dou u plus dou z upon dou x into dou x upon dou v plus dou z upon dou y plus dou z upon dou v. So this is the formula. So one by one I'm going to substitute the value. So how many differentiation we are going to do? Once, 2 times, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All these values you substitute and get the answer. You will get the answer in this form. So dou z upon dou x. So x, here is the x. Please remember, x is e raised to u plus e raised to minus v, and y is equal to e raised to minus u plus e raised to v. So these two are there, only x, y, right? So go on simplifying this, and z they have given here, z is equal to x square minus y square. Okay, wherever z is there, differentiate this with respect to x. So definitely in the partial differentiation, y is going to become 0. I have explained this partial differentiation. You can go through the description box. I have give the link how it is 0. So x square is constant variable, y square is constant. So I am going to substitute this one by one. First I will substitute dou z upon dou x. It is 2x. Is it clear? Then differentiate x. Here is the x given here, friends. This is x. Differentiate this with respect to u. So v is going to become constant. E raised to minus v is directly 0. So variable we have only e raised to u. Differentiation of e raised to u is, can anybody tell me? It is e raised to u only. There is no change. So I will write directly e raised to u plus. Okay. Now go to next. This is over. Next, plus dou z upon dou y. Same, z is equal to x square minus y square equation is there. Differentiate this with respect to y partially. Immediately x is going to become constant. X square is the 0 minus, so I will take here minus 2y is the answer. Next, differentiation, fourth one, dou y upon dou u. Where is y? Here is the y, student. So differentiate this with respect to u. Differentiation of y with respect to u is, you can see e raised to minus u is there. So differentiation is going to become minus e raised to minus u. You can see e raised to v. V is going to become constant. Therefore differentiation of v will definitely become 0. So write it clearly. It is 0. So I will say plus 0. Okay, next, plus differentiation of z with respect to x. We have already done. It is 2x into. Now differentiation of x. Where is x? This is x. Differentiation of x with respect to v. So definitely u is going to become constant. E raised to u is 0. E raised to minus v is there. Substitute. Differentiation will be minus e raised to minus v is there. Okay, this is over. Plus next value dou z upon dou y. So again differentiate z with respect to y. We already done. It is minus 2y. Then last one, differentiation of dou z upon dou v. So dou y upon dou v. Okay, so where is y? Y, differentiate this with respect to v. U is going to become constant. E raised to minus u is 0. Only e raised to v is going to become, I'm going to substitute e raised to v. This is the answer. If you want, you can simplify this. This is going to become, you can take here u on this side and v on that side. So the answer is 2x e raised to u, minus into minus plus 2y e raised to u minus 2x e raised to minus v minus 2y e raised to v. This is the answer, friends. That's it. Nobody can cut your marks if you get this correctly. So this part is of 4 marks. Yes, friends, it is of 4 marks, and this part is of 2 to 3 marks. So you will get 6 to 7 marks. Okay, students, we'll go immediately. Next question quickly. We don't have time. We are losing the time. Okay, so fourth one, friends. Very easy. This is Laplace transformation. Yes, friends, I'm going to solve the Laplace transformation. So they have given find Laplace transformation of these terms. Okay, without wasting the time, write the Laplace transformation of this. Directly write the Laplace of this answer. They are all formulas, friends. So directly you should get the answer. Okay, so I say that Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to Laplace transformation of sine 3t minus 4 Laplace transformation of cos 2t plus Laplace transformation of e raised to minus 2t. Yes, continue. Plus 3 Laplace transformation of t raised to 5. I am going to use the linear property. Linear property, Laplace transformation formulas I have discussed earlier class. Please see in the description box for Laplace transformation videos. You can go to that video, read the formulas, come back to this, and you can watch this. Answers are correct. So Laplace transformation of sine h 2t minus 6 Laplace transformation of cos h 3t. Okay, substitute the formula, that is the answer. So sine 3t is 3 upon s square plus 3 square. Direct formula. So it is 4s divided by s square plus 4 plus 1 upon s plus 2 plus c. 3 is outside, so I will write 3 into t raised to 5. So this is 5 factorial upon s raised to 5 plus 1, that is 6. So there in the formula, plus 2 upon s square minus 4, s square minus 4 minus 6 is there. So this is going to 6 into 3 divided by s square minus 9. So if you write this answer, friends, please see that you will get 6 marks directly in your pocket. So don't lose the marks, friends. Please keep in this in your mind. Very important. Very simple. You have to get this 6 marks very easily. The formulas and the properties I have discussed earlier class. Go to that video. I will give in the description box. Laplace transformation. See the formulas. They all are formula, students, only. So don't lose this Laplace transformation 6 marks question. Okay. So next we will go to the immediately find the inverse Laplace transformation. Yes, friends. This is very easy here. You can do this problem quickly. Only thing here, we are going to use them partial differentiation. Looking at the question itself, you can solve this problem very easily, and you should get the answer. Everybody must get this answer, right? Okay, so just write the inverse Laplace formulas. Please remember the inverse Laplace formula. This is tricky. I will tell you direct. This question is little bit tricky. I accept it, but not difficult. You already studied the equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation. You have studied in the 10th. That previous knowledge is used. This is one trick. So how we are going to solve this? Very easily. So using our previous knowledge of 10th students, I will solve this. So first I have to take x cube plus 2s square minus 5s minus 6. This I have to simplify. Okay, whenever you get this type of question and you don't know how to find the roots of this equation, see that you directly substitute one value. So first I will substitute the value 1, I will substitute the value 0. See that this equation must be equal to 0. So I have put 1, I have seen in the calculator, right? So it is not giving the answer. So therefore I have taken s is equal to 0. This is not becoming 0. This equation is not becoming. Okay, so then I have put s is equal to minus 1. This is my first root of the equation. That implies, so minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 2 s square is going to become minus 1 square plus 1, minus into minus plus 5, s is minus 1, so I have substituted here minus 1, minus into minus is going to become plus 5, 1 into 5 is 5, minus 6. So you can see this is minus 7 plus 7, which is equal to 0. Therefore s plus 1 is equal to 0 is the root of the equation. This is clear. Okay, taking this, we are going to use the simultaneous equations, which is done in the 10th. Okay, this step is done in the 10th, not in engineering. So this previous knowledge you should know, that is very important. So I'm going to use this previous knowledge and I will do the simultaneous equations. So this is synthetic equations, also we say s minus 1, but they differentiate this one by one. So this is going to become x cube plus 2s square minus 5s minus 6. So one by one you will substitute, you will get the answer. So I will take this as x square. So multiply this s plus 1 to x square. This is going to become s cube plus s square. Okay, so change the sign, minus minus, so this is going to get cancelled. This is going to become s square minus 5s minus 6. Okay, so repeat this again. So I will take here plus s. S I will multiply to s plus 1, s square plus s. Okay, so I will substitute here s square plus s. So again, now I am going to take again, change the sign. Please change the sign. This is plus s square is there, minus s square is there. This is going to get cancelled, and here minus 5s and this is minus s is going to become minus 6s minus 6. Okay, now I am going to put here minus 6. So minus 6 into s plus 1. So this will be minus 6x minus 6. So this I will substitute minus 6s minus 6. I'll change the sign, plus and minus, so this both will get cancelled. So this means what, students? This means what? This is 0. I'm getting here. This means that, students, that s cube plus 2s square minus 5s minus 6 is equal to s plus 1 s square plus s minus 6. This is done in the 10th standard. This is also known as equations, simultaneous equations, or also synthetic equations, what we say. Okay, so these are the roots of the equation. Okay, don't worry, we'll simplify this quickly. We'll simplify this very easily, students. Okay, now you can see this term is the s square plus s minus 6 is there. So I will take the roots of this. So therefore s square plus s minus 6, just split this in 3s I will take this as minus plus 3s minus 2s minus 6. So this will be very easy. So you can see 3 into 2 is minus 6, and if I split this, 3 minus 2 is 1s. So therefore this is correct. So this is equal to, I will take s common from this, so s plus 3, and minus 2 I will take common from this. This is again s plus 3. So that is equal to s minus 2 s plus 3. So these are the roots. So therefore I say that s cube plus 2 s square minus 5s minus 6 is equal to s plus 1 was already there. I am going to substitute this value as this. So this is s minus 2 s plus 3. Okay, so this is all the simplification you have to do. This is important, then remaining is very easy. I will show you. So just take the values now. So you will get here Laplace transformation of 7s minus 3 divided by s cube plus 2 s square minus 5s minus 6 will be equal to Laplace transformation or inverse Laplace transformation of 7 upon s minus 3 divided by s plus 1 s minus 2 s plus 3. That's it. Okay, so now again we have to use the partial fraction. So 7s minus 3 divided by s plus 1 s minus 2 s plus 3. I am going to use the partial fraction. This is a divided by s plus 1 plus b divided by s plus 1 s minus 2 b divided by s minus 2 s minus 2 plus c divided by s plus 3. Okay, so find ABC, substitute ABC and tell me quickly what is the answer. So this simplification is quickly, you should be fast, is equal to a into s minus 2. Already we have done so many partial fractions, right? Partial fractions you already studied in 10th, students. Plus c s plus 1 and this is s minus 2. Okay, now put one by one, we will simplify. Put s is equal to I'll just put s is equal to minus 1. Okay, when I put s is equal to minus 1, students, you can see this b minus 1 plus 1 is 0, so b is 0. Here c minus 1 plus 1 is 0, c is 0. So only the term is remaining, that is s minus 2 s plus 3. This is not 0. So when I put s is equal to minus 1, this is going to become minus 10. You please substitute in your calculator easily you can get the answer. So time is also very important. So minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is going to become minus 6. So this is minus 6a. So that implies a is equal to, minus minus will get cancelled. Quickly you should write 5 by 3. Okay, next put s is equal to, quickly I'm going to put s is equal to 2. Okay, that implies what all things will get cancelled. A will get cancelled, 2 minus 2 is 0. C is going to get cancelled, 2 minus 2 is 0. You can look at on the screen. So therefore this is going to become 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 is equal to 15b. So that implies b is equal to 11 upon 15. Okay, so next s is equal to minus 3. I will substitute. That implies we'll get this as minus 24. You substitute all this equation in this equation number a. This is equal to 10 c. So that implies c is equal to minus 12 by 5. So this is 5 will go. You can substitute the values, students. So therefore, so now again Laplace transformation of, so this is easy if you have done Laplace transformation, inverse Laplace transformation very easily. See, now this is inverse Laplace transformation of 7s minus 3 divided by s cube plus 2s square minus 5s minus 6 is equal to, yes friends, Laplace transformation of, substitute the values, you will get the a as, yes, a as 5 divided by 3 divided by s plus 1 s plus 1 plus b is 11 divided by 15 s minus 2 plus c is minus 12 divided by 5 divided by s plus 3. So what is the Laplace transformation, students? One by one you can easily do it and tell me what is the answer. Okay, so I'll write here the answer. So this is Laplace, inverse Laplace transformation of 7s minus 3 divided by s cube plus 2s is equal to, so this is 5 upon 3, 1 divided by s plus 1 plus 11 divided by 15, inverse Laplace of 1 divided by s minus 2 minus 12 divided by 5, inverse Laplace of 1 divided by s plus 3. So this is equal to, so this is 5 by 3, 5 by 3, so 1 divided by s plus 1 is e raised to minus t is the, from formula I will get this, plus 11 divided by 15 e raised to s minus 2 is there, so this is e raised to 2t minus 12 upon 5, inverse Laplace of 1 divided by s plus 3 is e raised to minus 3. So this is the answer, students. If you have written this answer, you will definitely get 7 marks. Okay, so next go to the differentiation. This is also quite easy. So without wasting the time, you can see, solve the differential equation, students. Quickly write down the formulas. So here also we are going to use the partial differentiation and easily you can find the answer, students. One by one you can see. Quickly we are going to solve this problem. So write down the problem, students. Solution. Okay. So please remember the formula. I will apply the Laplace transformation of y double dash plus 5y dash plus 6y is equal to 0, which will be equal to, I am going to use the Laplace transformation formulas already there in the description box. Please go to that formula video link, see what is the differential equation Laplace transform, which is application of Laplace transform. Please remember this one. This is application of Laplace transform. Very, very important, very easy, and look at the video. Okay, so Laplace transformation of y double dash plus 5y dash plus 6y, is it clear, is equal to Laplace transformation of 0. Okay, so this is equal to s square L of y of t. This formula I have already given in the description box, please go through that. S of y of t minus minus minus, substitute in the formula students, minus y dash of t, okay, plus 5 s L of y of t, substitute the formula correctly, minus y of t plus 6 L of y of t. Okay, this is equal to 0. That is what we have done. Now look at this question with the initial condition y of 0 is equal to 0 and y dash of 0 is equal to 2. So this means that t is equal to 0. So now we can substitute the values one by one. This is going to become s square L of y of t, no change, minus, yes, y of 0. So y of 0 is already they have given 0. So this is going to become 0, minus y dash of t. Y dash of t, y dash of 0 is 2. So this is minus 2 plus 5 s of L of y of t, no change, minus y of t, y of t, y of 0 is 0. So I will not write that 0, plus 6 L of y of t, which is equal to 0. So now you can see here students, please take out the common part. Common part is y of t, L of y of t, take out the L of y of t. So immediately we will get this L of y of t. If you take outside, you can see this is going to become s square plus 5s minus 2. Okay, this is minus 2, 6 plus 6, 2. I will bring it on right hand side, which is going to become 2. When you simplify, you will get L of y of t is equal to 2 divided by s square plus 5s plus 6. So easily can simplify this ones. 3 into 2 is going to become 6. So this is 2 divided by s plus 3, s plus 2. So easily can do this. So now this is going to become y of t I want to calculate, which is equal to inverse Laplace of 2 divided by s plus 3 and s plus 2. So this is equal to 2 inverse Laplace of, I will just take the partial differentiation students. This is a divided by s plus 3 plus b divided by s plus 2. So this all you should do it very easily and quickly. This is very important. So here we are going to use the partial differentiation. See that, write down correctly and neatly in your book. When writing, please write it neatly in your examination point of view. Okay, so quickly write down now. What is Laplace transformation of this? Find a and b, already we have done. Substitute the values, so you will get it like this. If you simplify, so 1 divided by s plus 3. Quickly I will do the partial fraction students. For your sake I am writing this, but you should do it quickly. B divided by s plus 2. So to find the value of b, simplify. 1 is equal to a into s plus 2 plus b into s plus 3. put s is equal to minus 2, that implies 1 is equal to b. Minus 2 plus 3, that implies b is equal to 1, because minus 2 plus 2 will become 0, a is 0. Okay, immediately s is equal to next minus 3, that implies 1 is equal to, so a minus 3 plus 2, here b is minus 3 plus 3 is going to become 0, so that implies a is equal to minus 1. So put it in this formula, therefore you can say this is going to become y of t is equal to 2 into Laplace transformation of minus 1 divided by s plus 3 plus 1 divided by s plus 2. So use the formula, friends. So this is going to become 2 minus e raised to minus 3t plus e raised to minus 2t. So if you get this answer, friends, nobody can cut your marks. Please see that this step will be of 2 marks and last step will be of 2 marks. Remaining they will give only 1 mark or 2 marks. Okay, quickly we will go to the next example. Yes, friends. So this is Newton-Raphson's method. Very easily they have simplified this. See that you don't make mistake while writing this. For Newton-Raphson method formula and its simplification, I have already done this video in the previous section. Please go through it. If you have any doubt, you can watch the video of Newton-Raphson's method formula video link. I am given in the description box. Please watch that video. Okay, quickly we'll simplify this, friends, without wasting the time. Yes, you can see in this they have given the equation. Look at the equation, friends. Yes, they have given here. Write down the formula, Newton-Raphson's method. Yes, you can see this line, fifth root of 10. It is clearly mentioned that there is a value x which we don't know. It is 10 raised to 1 upon 5. Fifth root means what? Root means raised to, it is 1 divided by 5. This is fifth root of 10. Please remember this. Understand the question. X is equal to 10 raised to 1 upon 5. So this means what? I can write it like this. X raised to 5 is equal to 10. X raised to 5. I take both this power increases by 5. So x raised to 5 is equal to 10. That implies x raised to 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Yes, friends. This is very easy. So Newton-Raphson's method says that whenever you get this equation, please keep this equation as f of x is equal to x raised to 5 minus 10. Is it clear? Immediately find out the f dash of x. Differentiate this. So x raised to 5 differentiation is 5 x raised to 4. 10 is constant, so I will write directly 0. It's not required, but you should know. Okay, now I am going to use the Newton-Raphson's formula. Please see, if you want to understand Newton-Raphson method, I have done in the previous video. You can go to that video or I will share the link in the description box. You will get it. Please watch that. Okay, so Newton-Raphson formula I am going to use and substitute this as x n plus 1 is equal to x n minus x n raised to 5 minus 10 divided by 5 x n raised to 4. So I have substituted these values in this. Now when in this equation x is equal to 1, I am getting the answer as minus 9 and x is equal to 2. I will substitute now and just substitute in this 2. I am getting this as positive 22. So it is clear that from this it is clear that One is positive, one is negative. So bring the answers very nearer. Make this nearer value. So 1.1, you try to put x is equal to 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Similarly, you can see 1.5. You will get a positive value. And x is equal to 1.6 will be the negative value. Therefore from this table I am going to choose xn is equal to positive value 1.5. Okay, so let us take 1.5 and calculate the answers, friends. Now okay, so here I am going to take first xn alpha x. I will take minus then again I will take alpha x power 5 minus 10 divided by 5 alpha x raised to 4. Okay, this is the value which we have to calculate. On the right hand side you can see, you can watch the formula. So this is just you have to put in the calculate. So take 1.5, you are getting a positive value. Am I right? Okay, so write down this first iteration front. So there root lies, therefore you can say root lies in this 1.5, and you can directly take this as 4 decimal places. They have clearly mentioned it should be 4 decimal places. Okay, let it be in the decimal places, friends. So you can take x1. So from the calculator on the right hand side, x1 I am getting 1.5950. Am I right? Okay, so next time I will substitute this value. Say equal to, again it is asking x value, just put 1.595. Okay, 1.5, again this is the second iteration, students. Directly you can take x2 is equal to 1.585. okay, again go for the calculator, just put equal to, now it is 1.595. okay, 1.585. enter, you will getting x3 is equal to 1.584. you are getting, they have given 4 decimal places, so 4 times you can do it, 1.584 you go for equal to 1.584. enter, so you are getting same, that's it. 1.5848 is the 4th decimal place, so you are going to get the all 7 marks. So this is, so you can see finding x1 1 marks, x2 2 marks, x3 2 marks, and final answer 1 mark. So you are going to get 6 to 7 marks very easily. Without wasting the time, we'll go to the next problem, students. Regular-Falsi method. Yes, Regular-Falsi method, they have directly given the intervals. That's very important. You make the mistake here only, students. Please see that when the interval is given, don't do any calculations in the calculator. Roots are already there in your hand, that's it. Take the roots. Okay, quickly take the roots. So I will take the roots now without wasting the time. So please remember the formula. So this is the root. As I told you, root lies in 2 and 2.5. They have given both the values, students, directly. No need of again calculating the calculator. Many students have made the mistake and they have got 0 marks because 2 and 2.5 is given directly. Take it directly. No need of calculating the intervals now. Okay, come to our simplification. So a they have given 2, B, please take it 2.5. Use the formula, students. What is the formula you have to know? x1 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Please remember the formula, students. Okay, when a is equal to 2, substitute in the function. This is the function given. Please put it in the function. So let us see in this calculator. It is x cube 3, okay, minus 2 x minus 5. Okay, they have given. Okay, calculate. So directly put 2. So we are getting here the answer minus 1. So therefore f of a is equal to minus 1. That's it. And the calculator it is given. So f of b 2.5. Just put it equal to, students. You can see this is 2.5. Enter. Yes, students. You can get the answer as 5.625. Okay, so you are getting 5.625. Substitute the value in the calculator. You must get the answer. X1 is equal to 2.0754. So this is our initial value now. So that implies again the roots will change every time. The roots will change. Root lies in 2.0754 comma 2.5. Is it clear, students? So same way you are going to continue. Again take AB. A is equal to 2.0754. B is equal to 2.5. Substitute in the formula. So just put here equal to. You will get 2.0754 equal to. So the answer is there in your calculator on the right hand side. So this is f of a is equal to minus 0.21146 and 2.5. You know already f of b is equal to 5.625. So these values when you substitute in the formula, you must get x2. This is Newton Regular-Falsi method formula. This is again Regular-Falsi formula I am going to use. X2, you will get this answer as 2.0896. So this is your answer, students. So they have given the approximate root. We are almost nearer to the answer. So therefore this is our approximate root. So you must get the full marks if you get this answer, students. Is it clear? Immediately we'll go to the next calculating. Next problem using fourth order RK method with steps. Okay, so here we can see the step they have given. H is equal to 0.1. Find the approximate solution at x is equal to 1.2 for the initial value approximate. Y dash is equal to x into y. Y of 1 is equal to 2. Okay, students. Now we'll immediately simplify this problem. So you can see here y dash is equal to x into y they have given. Okay, now I will simplify one by one. So given is x is equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to 2, h is equal to 0.1. These all terms they have given, and y naught is equal to 2. This all things they have given. Okay, so use RK method formula. RK method and its formula and its explanation I have given in the description box. Please go to the link. In that link you can see all I have discussed about RK method. So use that, and here you put it the formulas directly. So it goes like this. K1 is equal to h into f of x naught y naught, which is equal to 0.1, f of 1 comma 2, x naught y naught already I have written here. If x naught is 1, y naught is 2. Substitute. Put f of x1 comma 2 in the calculator. So x into y. Okay, go to the calculator, say on alpha you take x and alpha you take y. Is it clear? So then just say calculate. X is 1, enter. Y is 2, enter. What is the answer? 2 is the answer. Okay, so substitute here. That's it students. 0.1 into 2 directly will get 0.2. This is the answer of K1. Go to K2. Non-stop you have to solve the problem. F of x naught plus h upon 2 comma y naught plus k1 upon 2, which is equal to 0.1. F of, yes, x naught is how much? 1. H is how much? 0.1. 0.1 upon 2 is 0.05. 1 plus 0.05 is 1.05. You can calculate in your calculator. Y naught is 2. 2 plus k1. K1 please see here, it is 0.2. 0.2 divided by 2 is 0.1. 2 plus 0.1 is 2.1. Okay, keep in the calculator as it is. Don't change the calculator. Don't play with the calculator. Okay, so say again equal to, it is asking x is 1.05, enter. Y it is asking 2.1, enter. What is the answer? You can see, yes, it is 2.205. So K2 is 2.205. That's it. Next, go to K3. K3 is equal to formula, please remember. Right now directly h 0.1 f of x naught plus h upon 2 y naught plus K2 upon 2. So I will write here h only. I will take it h. So h is 0.1. F of x naught is 1. I have written here. H upon 2. H is 0.1 upon 2. So this is going to become 1.05. Y naught is 2. K2 is 2.205. 2.205 divided by 2. It is 2.11. Okay, put it in the calculator. Don't change the calculator throughout the function. So you can see 1.05. F of x is 1.05, enter. Y is 2.11, enter. So how much it is showing? Yes, students, please write down 2.2155 is K3. So please note down one by one. Then go for K4, which is equal to again h. Formula you please remember, h f of x naught plus h y naught plus K3. K3. Substitute the value 0.1. F of x naught is already have written, it is 1. H is 0.1, so it is going to become 1.1, comma y naught plus K3. Y naught is 2. K3 is 2.2155. That is previous value which we have calculated. Add it, we will get 2.225. Okay. So again, without wasting the time, substitute the value, students, in the calculator. Multiply here 0.1. Please note down. Multiply 0.1. You will get answers. Okay. So multiply. You have to multiply to this 0.1. Okay, again press equal to, it is 1.1, enter. Next y value it is asking, substitute 2.2215, enter. It is, so here you have to multiply, please remember 0.1, here you have to multiply 0.1. So this is going to become 2.4436 into 0.1. So this value is going to become 0.24436. This value is going to become 0.22155. This value is going to become 0.2205. So add all these values, students. So therefore the formula goes like this: y of 0.1 is equal to y naught plus 1 upon 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Substitute the values, you will get the answer 2.22141 is the answer. You should get this answer, students. Okay, without wasting the time, we'll go to the next one. Very easy. Already everyone have done the transformation, so you must be perfect in the finding rank of the matrix. Elementary transformation, these are, students. Easily within hardly 2-3 steps you will get the answer. So this is the matrix they have given. So I will go for transformation here. R4 dash tends to R4 minus R3 plus R1. I have done one transformation, and another transformation I am going to do. R3 dash is equal to, this is R3 minus R1 plus R2. So my first transformation will give my 6 1 3 8 4 2 6 minus 1. There is no change in first row and second row, only third and fourth is going to change. If you add and subtract, you can see this is going to become 0 directly, students. See the transformation once again. Elementary transformation, rank of the matrix I have already done previous class. You can go through the description box, easily you will get these 0 answers. Okay, the last step, this I want to see the value to be 0, next value. So therefore next step transformation I am going to do is 6R2 minus 4R1 in R2. This transformation I will do. I am getting here 6 1 3 8 0 8 24 minus 38. This is all 0. So very simple, I calculated the values very easily. I thought that these two, first row is not 0 and second row I cannot make this 0 further. This is 0, third is 0, fourth is 0. Therefore rank of the matrix is 2, students. If you get this answer correctly, you will get the full marks. No question, your transformation must be right and your calculations must be done properly. This was very easy, 6 marks. 3 steps for first one, 3 steps for second step. So marks are distributed in this form. Okay. So we'll go to the next problem. Quickly, we see that apply Gauss-Elimination. Its formula and its description I will give in the video link. Don't worry, students. How to simplify Gauss-Elimination and its explanation is already done. We are solving the question paper, so I will be directly substituting its augmenting matrix, that is A and B. So I will substituting the values 2 1 4 12 4 11 minus 1 33 8 minus 3 2 and this is 20. This is the augment matrix, students. So first transformation I will go to R2. I want to change R2 minus to R1, which will be very easy. Next transformation I go for R3. R3 is changed to R3 minus 4 R1. So I will go for this transformation. I see that the value is 2 1 4 12 0 9 minus 9 9 0 minus 7 minus 14 and this is minus 28. So this is first transformation I have done. Alright, so next you see I want to make the lower triangle 0. I want to make this lower triangle should be 0. This 3 must become 0. Lower triangle must be 0. So 2 I have made it 0. Next I have to make this term 0. Next step, and that will give you the Gauss elimination. Elimination itself says that You have to eliminate the lower triangle. Keep this in your mind. Very, very important. Lower triangle must be same. Okay. So we'll take the lower triangle now. I will take the next step and just take R3, R2. I want to make this very simple. So 1 divided by 9, R2. And for my simplification, I want to change R3 and make it very simple. 1 divided by 7, R3. I will change this. So my matrix is 2, 1, 4, 12. Next is 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, and this is 4. Is it clear? Okay, so this is what we get the matrix after substituting the transformation. Okay, so now I want to make this minus 1, 0. This is the last step. I want to make this minus 1, 0, then immediately we'll get the solution. So to make this 0, I must just add these values. So R3 I want to change R3 minus R2. I will just take this. So this is going to become minus 7. If I take this, is automatically become plus minus 1 upon 7. I am just take it. Okay, so this is plus. I will take, so this value I am going to take this as 2, 1, 4, 12, and this is 0, 1, minus 1, 1. This is 0, 0, 3, and I am getting here 3. Use the calculator and please try this value, students. Easily you will get it. Then therefore directly you can see z is equal to 1. Directly this is 3z is equal to 3. You will get 3 will get cancelled. Z is equal to 1 I am getting. And next one you can see directly, this is, I am getting this as y minus z is equal to 1. See, z is 1 already, so I'll just take z is equal to 1. Y minus 1, minus 1, if I bring it on that side, plus 1, 1 plus 1, it is going to become 2. Next I am going to get this answer as yes, friends, just substitute the values. So this is 2x plus y plus 4z is equal to 12. This class is going to get lengthy, very lengthy. Substitute the value of z, which is 1, and substitute the value of y is equal to 2 in the equation. That implies easily you should get x is equal to 3. Please try in the calculator. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 1. If you get this answer, definitely you must get the full marks, friends. It is, you will get full 7 marks. So very, very important. X is equal to 3, you will get 2 marks. Y is equal to 2, you will get 2 marks. Z is equal to 1, you will get 2 marks, and 1 marks for simplification. So you will get 7 marks. Next question. Yes, students, I'm going to take this as the last question. Obtain largest eigenvalue and corresponding eigenvector of 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2. Very simple they have given. Lagrange's power method they have given. So formula and its explanation I will give in the previous video I have explained. So I will give the link. You can just go through that link, study it, you will get the answer. So this is our preparation for final exam. So therefore I will be solving this directly. So first I want to find the value of first term. So I will take ax. Yes. What is the formula, students? Anyone remembers the formula? What formula says for eigenvalue, largest eigenvalue or eigenvector, please calculate first ax. Ax is equal to lambda x. This is what we want to calculate. Okay, so therefore what is a? Substitute the value of a: 2, -1, 0, -1, 2, -1, 0, -1, 2. What is the value of x? X is nothing but x naught. Okay, so x naught is 1, 0, 0. Okay, I want to find the value of lambda and x1. Okay, quickly go to the calculator. Okay, calculator, please be ready. Yes, make it on. Always see that, go to the, when you are using matrix, shift it in matrix mode 6. You will get it as mat. MAT is nothing but matrix, so shift 4, 1. Please go to this 1. Okay, this is 3 cross 3 matrix, so 1 again, once again 1. So just substitute here 2 equal to -1 equal to 0 equal to, on right hand side I am just substituting, students, please note that, very important, using calculator. Next value is -1 equal to 2 equal to -1 equal to 0 equal to -1 equal to 2 equal to. So this matrix is done. Matrix A is done. Press AC. Never press on. It will guess, your values will get destroyed. So again go to shift 4, 1, 2. Remember this, students, very important. Next I am going to take the value 3. Substitute here 1 equal to 0 equal to 0 equal to. Yes. Then press AC. Now shift 4, 3 into shift 4, 4. So what is the answer, students? You can see very easily. Okay, this I will repeat once again, don't worry. Why one and a half? We will change 1 minus 0.5, 0. So we can put it in the calculator. A remains as it is, no change in A. So in your calculator A is already fixed. So don't change A value, only you have to change B value. So press AC. Again repeat the same procedure. 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this value you have to change. This is going to become 1 equal to, next is minus 0.5. Please remember this, equal to, next term is 0 equal to. So B value is now fed in your calculator. Shift 4, 3 into shift 4, 4. This is equal to, yes friends, this is what the value you get. So please write down in your calc. This is 2.5 minus 2, 0.5. Which is the highest term, friends? It is 2.5. So take out 2.5 and divide this answer with, divided by 2.5. That's it. You will get the answer as, yes, just substitute the values. 1, 0.8, 0.2. Please repeat this procedure again, once again, so that you will get the values in this form. So you must get this values, friends. So next, again substitute the matrix. These values are 1 minus 0.8, 0.2, right? Then use the calculator. You must get the next value. 2.8 as term, substitute the values, again you will get 1 minus 1 0.43. okay, repeat the same procedure. 1 minus 1 0.43 students, you can see this is equal to, you will get 3.43, 0.87 minus 1 0.45. okay, repeat this value. okay, this is 0.87 minus 1 0.54. this will continue, so this is equal to, you can see you are going to get 3.41. so this is repeating 0.8 minus 1 0.61. therefore, yes friends, you can look at this problem, and if you repeat this step once again, you will get the largest eigenvalue. So what is largest eigenvalue? 3.41 is the largest eigenvalue, and eigenvector is 0.8 minus 1 0.61. if you write the answer properly, if you get this answer students, nobody can cut your marks. So this is the last example we have taken very well. Thank you so much to watch till the end of the video, and I hope all the best for everyone get the answer properly. Please solve once again, watch the video again and again, you will get practice, and I hope that in the next coming exam you get the good marks, right? All the best friends. Thank you so much for watching the video.